to leave their country. So I refused. So they deport me and my kids together. That's all.
Jamie asked you to leave the country and you refused.
They talk and well. They talk and well. Yeah, the way they put on, so it not really make sense. Just put on like, you know,
where she, my sister?
put on where?
How do they put on? I don't understand.
Like
Just
they
for
give you
waiting.
paper, you know, can't know say supposed to come on. Like you talk and where? You understand?
They give you paper and lawyer tell you say you go fit appeal the paper. That was the reason why you know.
2006 is watching. Man, your speech will make people help you. We don't give anybody money home. The way you take talk, now you go take touch the heart of people. The way you talk now, sorry, you sound so little rude. You sound so.
She don't even say.
You not say. Okay, don't need to be here. 2006 is watching.
Mama Laura, take it easy. I'm not used to all
because of your children. Your effort may be here because of your children. So talk where maybe we touch some heart of some people's heart. We want to help you because you have children already. The way you are talking now is like they force you to come and speak. Look at what happened. You will talk your story. Maybe someone will still learn from it. Me myself will still learn from it. And nothing happened. It does not sound that way, my darling. I'm sorry.
Jamie, it's okay, Mama Laura. Okay, I'm sorry if I said anything wrong. So Jamie asked me to leave. So my lawyer told me that he can. Okay, my lawyer tell me say he can handle.
Yeah, they talk.
So that is why.
They talk.
Epa, you dey hear me?
They hear you.
Jamie asked me to leave. So they give me that white paper with the yeah. So I can't give my lawyer. Ashley, why they share my video? Don't let me swear for you, Ashley. Oh. Don't let me swear for you. Don't do that. Don't try it. So,
Who be Ashley?
Epa, you hear me? No verse. Epa, you hear me?
Okay, yeah, I hear you.
Epa, you hear me?
I hear you.
Okay. So, Jamie can give me the white paper because it may come on. So I can't go see lawyer. So lawyer can make me understand. Say, make me no fear. Say everywhere good because their father is there. Their father they work. Yeah. So I can't say okay, everywhere good. So now me can't test it. I don't know. Say on the 29th they will come carry me. Now they come carry me and my 2 children go ask. So now what's I prove that paper?
You do not.
Their father get paper.
No, not yet. No.
And their father is working. But their father is working.
Yes.
I want to sleep.
And their father is still here now in Germany.
Yes.
No, they still say ask.
You see sometimes sleeping together.
No.
I want to sleep.
Actually, if you share my video, my first finish. Don't provoke me,
Jessica, sorry, they share video first. May we do this one.
When they share video, go they kill you. Ashley, when they share my video,
they share video. Now, normal thing.
You come here to come to share video. I don't understand.
Why should they share my video?
People they share video. Now, normal thing for TikTok.
No, please don't do that. Don't say that.
Now, normal thing, Jessica. Now, normal thing. Leave them make their share. Fair do the help where you come for. You go do
everybody they share assist. Everybody they share my live video. I say, but Ashley, you have fucking no right to share my video.
Make them do the donation fair. Now that one is important.
You have no right to share my video. Yeah, leave Ashley. You have no right to share my video. Don't do that next time. I won't get off any video. Don't do that.
You be like you are person they play now. Every get where we don't make a call list.
Mama Laura, Jare no verse. Mama Laura, no verse.
Who be Ashley? No verse.
Who be Ashley?
Don't manipulate there.
Who is Ashley? Is he a man or a woman?
To you.
Who is she?
If I don't forget about that one, don't forget. Let me focus on my whole issue here.
Okay. Continue.
So now let's apple with that paper.
Okay. Winnie. Okay, please mute first. Please mute. Maybe you know expect say maybe your enemy will do Nigeria now. Stress and frustration and depression all over. Like you are not even talking. So just mute. Make people wait go feel explain to us explain so that we will know how we will take on me. Because I can see that you are really stressed up and you are angry at the same time and everything. So may you mute. Please mute. Yeah, mute. Winnie, we are back. Explain to us, in a way we go to understand. You go know now, that's why she climb now. If you didn't know, I know climb now. What be when you do this to
Epa, I beg the viewers when they watch. This our sister, so now our sister and a friend, you understand? Because now since yesterday, the matter reached my hand. You dey get? And normal, I not really know the girl. Now this morning, so they come add me for conference call. So I call fortunate, she's from Esan, from Edo State. So the way the things they go, they say they give her paper, make she take come out. You understand? Then her baby papa come tell her say, make she no come out because in the work. At that time, she and her baby papa they in a good terms. You understand? Because right now, she and the baby papa are not sure whether they dey again. So already the lawyer can't tell the girl say they go feel they appeal the paper. Some people they feel like 3 months they will still appear. They feel even appear and reach like 6 times.
See risk.
Like 6 times, you understand? So now the girl constantly mellow down because the man when he born the children for tell her say may she not go. She know as the way that they put I say she know they go anywhere, nothing they happen. You get? So unfortunately, I never even reach 1 month, exactly 1 month. When they give her that paper, now they can't take carry and the 2 children deport her go back to Nigeria. And when she take go Nigeria, when they take deport her now, not only 90 euro they her hand. Because they've already create 1 group call for WhatsApp. They raise small money for her. As for me, that money not go reach her 3 days. So now I can say, okay, if now like that, me, I not feel promise you say I go they give you money every month because you did the Europe side, no as it be for everybody. If not like that, make I carry the matter, come meet you. So I beg, may the people, our Nigeria people, may we still join hand. Bad as it bad, may we still take help the girl because the children now, they're not they used to Nigeria weather, Nigeria food, Nigeria water, and there is no house because the hotel when the person will put her for house for Lagos, that they don't already tell the girl, say, may she come out and she no get money when she will take go her state. She no get money when she will take carry house. Like she just dey stranded. I beg my people, may we try, may we help her. Is a sister. Me, I not there after how. That is just the truth. Now the children, now me are there after, you understand? Because you know go carry children when they're born for you, carry go Nigeria, they'll come go they suffer for Nigeria. I know say many people go say you not save money. You not save money. More fair leave that matter fair because you not get your belly food. The Jama when you did now self, even though you open account for Jama there, they go tell you say the money, children money may you not save. I mean use that to take care of the children. If you still save money for Germany, still problem. Epa, you still know about this one. You understand? I beg my people, may we help her. So now what have to be that and now what they still tell me because me and all day there and now the same thing when she still tell me be that one I beg, may we help her. At all, now I be witch because of the children, please.
Okay. My people, I believe some do a year with she talk and waiting when he talk. I beg, make we not to blame the girl when they deport if she's not talking the way it's supposed to be. You know, say Europe now everything. If you day Europe like day, everything day, you know. But if they can't deport your enemy, now they will know say stress day. Deportation they make some people they colo. They come like say they mad. Deportation they make people they talk 100 one thing every minute because they don't plan and the thing just come once. So that's why I never drop her since.
You feel me carry this AG baby come on. Maybe she get what she want or she don't first say up me since. AG baby send your request, they bring you come.
Sorry, if anybody want to talk about, I mean, if I want to talk about my issue, no problem. But anything concern my baby dad, nobody should say about it. I beg. Talk about me alone. Anything concern my baby father, I don't want to hear.
Okay. AG baby.
Epa, no more. I beg. Wetin make me come up? Na beg, I come beg. Make una beg. Una forget the way she take the talk. She not be like that. She be very nice person. I beg. Una beg. Una help her. Anything at all, allow. Una not mind the way when she take the talk. Na just the anger, this thing, as the depression. Frustration. Yeah. You just be like, what the person no expect. So more na I beg anything at all, I beg. I beg with the beg. Well, I'll drop her account for comment section, I beg. Or she go still use her mouth take call her account number.
No, make she drop her by herself.
Okay, she go drop her.
Okay.
How many years the children dey?
I beg, wala wo, woman I support her, beg, wala wo.
Then
Mama, I want dey 6, but I don't know the bad or that one.
they're still small. The children never
That's small,
grow.
that's small.
I beg.
Let me when you punch dey here, wala wo, I beg, make una help.
I beg comment
beg,
section. I dey see una comment. Comment section. I dey see una
But I
comment.
not really said una papa for here.
I dey see una comment. Say for who drop account for who. Mona I beg. Mona no mind the way when she take talk. I beg. I beg. Mona I beg. This thing fit happen to anybody.
Anybody.
If it happen, because it her own happen, now no come me say nothing.
On behalf of the children.
I beg.
That make we carry the matter on
The
here.
people who now calm down. The thing we not talk about, no we help.
Me, you are the cause your mama for comment section.
But the love that I have for people, I don't know whether they will carry tomorrow. May we help. 20,000 na money.
Yeah.
Naira na money. 50,000 na money. May we beg. Please, you drop your account number. Hello, please.
I be first said that for you. May you paste them by yourself, I beg.
No, when I paste down, when I go paste down, I'll post down, then I'll pin down.
Oh, yeah, make us drop the account number.
I dey call my brother. Man.
Please drop the account. AG, no say na 2 accounts. I don't know.
Yeah, you get new one when start.
Yeah, drop that one. Yes, drop that one.
See, I'm saying, two phone you the ring at the same time. See,
Epa, you know they do Yahoo.
my two phone you the ring at the same time. When I drop the account details, my pin now.
If I dey try drop am, TikTok dey remove am.
No be loud, they don't agree.
They dey remove am. I fit call her for you.
What's go happen?
Epa, you for pinner, now you for pinner by yourself.
They go still drop her.
TikTok dey remove am. I bet we fit call her. Maybe people.
No, call her. Wala wala.
Okay, ma call the account number.
Yes.
91 32 51.
Wait, make I write down for ground in case. I want to call out to them. I'm not be done with everybody. Just a moment.
No, stop. Bye-bye.
Oh, yeah.
Because I don't leave this bastard. Because I don't leave this asleep.
Stop now.
Because I not see
Please, leave. Because how they call me because of you. Leave them, make them they talk. Now they get their mouth.
Leave you and your boyfriend.
Because leave them. I know they magic. They be fool. Leave them, make them.
Now you they help. Now you they let come.
Leave them, not talk again. Leave them.
Hello, please.
Epa not verse. Epa head will
No verse. Allow. If I no verse.
Is that my big
Please go down.
girl? Just make we do it. I know verse.
Let peace where you go down first. What was wrong with you? Now you did.
No verse. No verse.
When she said, now ain't be that one. But again, a very nice.
Frustration or no frustration. He supposed to say all those people we in and they not they play. They go one provoke her to talk what not supposed to talk. People not go.
Yeah, now what she no understand be that one. I beg.
Now depart you. That they provoke you for comment section. No, hold on. Why were you ashamed that she was begging money?
Because I called the man this morning. I called him. I told him to take full responsibility of the kids. Even if he does not want anything to do with the girl, he should take full responsibility of the kids.
Do you have the number of your baby father?
I have his number.
Yeah, are you on WhatsApp with this number?
Yes, I'm on WhatsApp.
Okay, you add me on WhatsApp now.
Okay.
Let me ask the baby father, why is he not taking responsibility of his deported children?
Jessica, please stop insulting me, please. I'm not the one that frustrated you. I'm not the one that deported you to Nigeria.
Okay, If I understand you, match your English, you and I born for the same man.
Now me say go for the man. I mean with the man say they live for her. Now my money they can carry her come from Italy to Germany. I can't quiet.
Now your money they carry her from Italy, come Germany. Yeah. Hey, one video now. Really?
Me and this man is stay house. We came from Italy for over 7 years. I was living with him. Let me go tell the baby when she get belay, she not tell my baby father. Let me tell my baby.
AG baby, mute or mute.
My friend called me, say give him my belay for outside.
Yeah.
He said that I say me I no vex. Say me I no vex. Say if the thing don't happen, it don't happen. So I can't rest for the issue. Ask Jessica, ever since when they say carry and come, when he take them with my baby father, I still said the heat was too much. I decided to leave. I leave both of them. Because I don't feel the thing was just too much for me. I decided to leave the relationship, everything. I come on body.
Yeah.
But still yet, this girl, something they do, and she go call me. Sometimes this girl will come, she go they insult me. She go they curse me unnecessarily.
No vessel. Yeah, you and your baby papa not there again.
We not there again.
And she and the same man not still there again.
I don't know about that one because me, I just they face my life. I just they live my life. But this girl is not going to rest. Something go they do, I go they cause you. Imagine they deport her. She said I made they deport her. When can me cause your frustration?
Okay, it's okay, it's fine. I don't bring you here to insult her. I just need the number. I don't know, say now you the insult now. I don't know. Me I just talk before. Not be the first time they talk with this. May you say me. May you.
That one not me say I be fool. I not fit speak up for myself. But I decided to keep quiet because after all, the man not be my husband. I not fit fight for man when never marry me. That make me shift body. Since you say now this one you want day with, fine and good. I left. But why can't you just? Why you not fit just rest for my issue? Any small thing she go come, she go they insult me.
Oh. And upon all this one, you can be the one make your baby papa take full responsibility of.
I told her this morning. Hear me witness. I said take full responsibility of this kid.
What did you cut off?
I can't even tell my girlfriend say if I want to contribute money because if I call the girl, I don't know whether she go because that her insult because she not get manners, she not sabi talk. I don't need that. I can't tell my girlfriend say if I want to donate money, I go put my money, when I go donate, when I go give her because of her kids. This guy they insult me. What will be your problem?
Okay, send me your baby papa number. May I call him?
No problem, Epa.
Thank you. I bet add me on WhatsApp with this number.
No problem.
Epa, I bet get waiting I want talk. First and foremost, you for ask that woman whether if they take the full responsibility of those children when they take the euro for year. Because not be when they go there Nigeria go say yes, the man want they take the responsibility. When you know say yes, how much the man want go they give the children for Nigeria every month or every 2 weeks. You understand? The man fed they do one for year because the girl say they not talk about a baby papa for year. And only God know why the girl say they not talk about a baby papa. I beg you, may we first just leave a baby papa issue first. May we still donate small to give. Yeah.
Okay, no problem. No problem. I just that I want to really know with and what is happening. That is why. You understand? Because you know, say me now open person.
Yeah. I understand. But now this girl, now she draw everything come out because the moment that girl they share the live video, she for just leave her first. All this one, for not they come out.
But now, if I don't talk on the way we people go to say I don't they biased.
Yeah.
See now 2 calls the time my father can do one pick. You can't go to the guys as I amen. Amen. Yes, it's I hear you. Yeah. Yes.
Hello, Epa. Epa, they hear me. Everything when Ashley they talk about is a lie.
Tell me, Epa, first.
It's a lie.
Oh, please go down.
Mute first now.
Please go down.
Please wait.
Like you get money, they want to carry me come. Is it your money? Maybe your money will be contacted to better for you to go see it to get for you. Yes, more boys around. Only you
Drop her now. Well,
as no go.
Now what for
Jessica,
you? I
you
don't know
mute
the kind of character when you dey display for here.
Yeah, Nora, you not be moderator for here.
Hey, please. Oh, what is here? You tell me one ask. This time around now, what did they see here? More not to blame this guy again because this one men with they're born for 1 month, so there must definitely be a problem. You understand? Now me they talk and say, I'm here with no EJ. You not get how you and that woman will play. As soon as they knock one prick, you will not feel play. You not get how one take play. That is the simple truth. So, me will suffer the follow up with this issue. Me will for know how it will be. I beg. If not, feel back for me for good.
we are
What
they try to, but this one help we need. I beg.
I for advice may you talk the family matter inside private for
exactly what I want to.
I beg.
I
Yeah.
will do
Two of them
No
privately.
problem.
Yeah.
Because of the
Talk to
children.
the baby papa privately. May you still
No
see.
problem.
I beg.
Tabe,
Okay.
Tabe. How much you don't gather so far, oh, I beg. Tabe,
190 pa.
190,000. Okay.
I beg, and it be like say the OPay account. It be like say I know understand because call just my sister now you they call me.
Where?
So it make I talk with her first. I they come I beg.
Where? Okay, that put up for speaker. Okay.
I hear say open no fit carry reach 500k. And maximum 500k.
Which time Mumu account be that one? You tell
If I
us.
find account carry come out, time don't
Yeah,
go.
that's what talk and see so.